Okay, hello. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be changing brake pads on this 2001 Kawasaki Vulcan 1500. It's actually quite simple, right? I'm just going to show you guys some of the tools that we're going to need. Little pliers, number 8 Allen key, like this, or like this. Ratchet, 10 millimeter, no, is it 10? No, that's at 8. And something to depress the calipers. Okay, brakes are located right over here, and reservoir is located right over here. Okay, and also we will bleed the system here. Okay, so what we're going to do is, first thing is we are going to take this off, take this cover off. Okay, cover pops off. Okay, we're good. Okay, we're going to open. Okay, there's another bolt right here, but I don't need to open that. I'm just going to open the top. Okay, and yeah, it needs to be changed. Okay, so basically it looks like this. All right, so that's done. Now we're going to move up here so you guys can see. I have already loosened these guys off, so I'm just going to go and use my number 8. And these bolts, they need to be cleaned for sure. Okay, move this. Okay, and what do you want to do? So because they may or may not come out, what you got to do is you got to depress your calipers and the pistons, and then it's going to come out. Boom, and there it is. It actually came out pretty good. Okay, so basically this is what it looks like. Okay, next we're going to take this pin out. Pin is located right over here. That's the one here. We're going to take this out and start removing the brake pad. So there's the pin. Okay, it's coming out. Okay, here we go. Okay, place it right over here. Then okay, and now this pin is going to come out right over here. First pad, it's going to come out like this. Okay, and second pad comes out like this. So basically this is what it looks like right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to clean this and depress the pistons. Okay, after that, once this is done right here, I'm just going to pull this out because all this needs to be cleaned. Okay, right here. Okay, all that needs to be cleaned, and inside. Okay, so right now, okay, I can kind of do it with my fingers, but it's really painful. But first I'm going to clean it and I'm going to depress it, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so here we are. Everything is nice and clean, right? Everything else, all my components are located right here and all clean. And we're going to be first, what I want to do is I want to take my little depressor, right, and I want to depress the pistons. I'm just going to go like this, and if everything is clean, they should be going in and smooth, and they are, right? If you know that you did a good job, another way that you can quickly test this, if you take your fingers and you press them in by, oh yeah, there we go, and oh, that one, okay, and they're depressed. Okay, next what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the clip back in, and let me see. Okay, it went in like this. Okay, and like this. Okay, good. Yeah, this is good stuff. Okay. Okay, we're going to continue on. Okay, so next what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lube up the points, and what I'm using is Easy Slide And what I'm gonna do is just gonna get some. Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna lube this up both sides. Okay. I'm gonna lube this up in here a little bit. Okay, and in here. Okay. And then what I like to do is just before I put it in, I just like to go and put all this in and then slide it all the way in and move it a couple times. Oh yeah, this is good stuff. Okay. Let's take this out. Okay. Now I'm just going to put the rubber O-ring in here on top. Just like this. Okay, this is good. And my little clip fell out, but this is all good. It needs to go in like this. Like that. Perfect. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put our sliders in. Okay. Okay, come on. Get in. Okay, good. So next what we're going to do is I have the brake pads right here for us. And if you guys want to know, so this is a PAD 231 KMG braking system. Okay. Okay, so first one, we're going to put the little guy, and the little guy is going to go right here like this. Okay. Okay, just like that. Okay, then the second one is just going to go up here like this, down. This is where we're going to take our pin, feed it right through. Okay, and feed it through the second one. Okay, good. And last thing that we're going to put is our clip. Just have to align all this, and the clip goes in like this. Okay. Okay, and we are set. So basically, this is what it looks like right here. So the brakes, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put them on, and then in a second we will bleed them. Okay, so okay, so all this is lubricated. I have the 2 bolts with my number 8. Okay, so now what we're going to do, I'm just going to slide this in like this. Okay. There we go. We have one, and then the second bolt. Okay, we just gotta move this around a little bit. Okay, till it settles. Okay, here we go. Just got in. Okay, so the caliper mounting bolts right here. This is 25 foot-pounds. So I got it already preset. Okay, and this one. Okay, we are good to go. So now what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna withdraw a little bit of fluid from the rear master reservoir with my syringe. Take as much as I possibly can, and we're going to pour the new fluid. Okay, good. What I'm going to do is, then now we have that done. Next, I'm going to take a little bit of a paper towel and then clean it right in there. Clean this well. That way, all the dirt and corruption is going to be gone. And this is as good as it gets. Okay, Good. Now, so that's done. Now I'm going to pour the brake fluid .4 right in here. Okay. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to depress the pedal a couple times. And now in a second, now I'm going to attach a hose and a 10mm wrench. Okay, so I have my hose, my bottle's right here, okay, and fluid already started coming out. So basically what I'm doing is I'm going to open this up and press on the brake, or press on the brake right now, open it up all the way down and then close. Okay, basically what I'm going to do, that way you guys can see this a little bit better. Okay, here you go. So okay, I'm pressing on the brake and releasing the screw. Okay, close. Okay, nope, I got to add a little bit right now. Okay, and I can see the clear fluid. Okay, there you go, no more bubbles. I'm going to do it one more time. Okay, good. So this one's good. Okay, so now we're going to bleed the second valve. That one's good. Okay, just going to clean it. And you want to bleed that one first because the fluid is coming in this way and then going up. Now we're just going to bleed the second one. Okay, just going to set this up like this. Okay, and put my tube. Okay, open it up. Here we go. And you can see a little bit of fluid right now. Now I'm going to press the pedal and we're going to lock it. Okay, press the brake a couple times and open. Oh, we got a little bit of bubbles coming out. Okay, and open. And I'm going to do it one more time. And then open. Okay. We are good to go here. Okay. Okay. Everything looks good, clean. Yeah, and adjusted the proper way. So last thing I got to do right now is I'm just going to go and top this up, the main reservoir. Let me see where we are. Okay, and we are, I just got to add a little bit. No, you know what? No, we are good to go. Okay, and all I got to do right now is just put the cover back on. Squeeze this in. Okay, there we go. Okay, good, very clear. And the last thing, I'm going to put the cover on. Chrome cover. Chrome cover goes like this. Okay, tighten this up, just snug. I don't know what the torque is. Okay, we're good to go. Okay. All right, so what we have learned in last, I don't know, 20 minutes, 15 minutes or so, is how to change the brake pads on the 2001 Kawasaki Vulcan 1500. We bled the brakes, we have cleaned them, and everything actually looks pretty good. So if you like the video, please like and share, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you very much.